Hey guys, today I want to show you a secret that not many people know, and I see this mistake in many repositories. So I want to show you how to solve this problem. If you have tried to embed your videos to your GitHub repository into README files, you may encounter this that the picture that it shows it is not very nice, and it is not something like a professional thumbnail that you do for a YouTube. So I encountered this issue before also, so I played with it a while ago until I figure out how to fix this issue. So without further ado, let me show you how to fix this problem. Okay. So the way to solve this problem is that in your editor, you create a professional thumbnail, whatever you want to be. You want to be your picture whatsoever. Okay. And add your thumbnail at the beginning of the video. Okay. Before the video starts. It doesn't need to be very long. Even for example, 1 second or 2 seconds is more than enough. But this one, he will fix the issue. Okay. So after you created this and you render the file, so I have already rendered the file. What you are going to do is you go to your repository, you edit the README file, you select the one that just now you created, and just you place it here. Okay, the thumbnail is there. Okay. However, if you use the normal method, the thumbnail is not there. So this one give you a little bit extra flair for example, going to find projects in Upwork or for example, all these freelancing job or a standout among the crowd, right? So at the end of the day, is all the time is about to be better than others and a standout, right? So this one it give you that extra edge. I hope you guys find this thing useful. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you like to see more things like this, please check out my channel down there. Thank you and have a good day.